Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a La Ferrari and this is by Tomica or Takara Tomy. So I personally don't like Ferraris, I I do like some models of Ferraris, like specifically this one, the La Ferrari. So I bought this one, and I know a lot of Ferrari fans are out there. So just for them also I bought it, and I really paid some good money for these castings, especially the La Ferrari, and there is one more upcoming, which is the Ferrari F355. So these two I actually paid a little bit more than MRP because it is not available in India. So just for unboxing, I actually bought this. So okay, La Ferrari I personally liked it, so I bought it. But the F355 I bought it just because of some people asked me to unbox some Ferraris, so I bought it. Okay, let's unbox and see how this one actually looks. So I do have some Ferrari castings with me, but those are by I think Maisto or RMZ. I don't remember it now. I do have that playlist actually, so you can go ahead and see it. I do have some Ferraris in I think 5 Ferraris, which I unboxed like more than a year back. So the scale of this car is actually 1:62. So I personally love Tomica for that one. They actually don't go with 1:64 for all the cars. So like Hot Wheels does. So Hot Wheels is not actually true to scale, so I really don't worry about that. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So let me just put this aside for a minute. So here it is. So the initial impressions of this car, it's like it looks absolutely beautiful. So there is one small paint bubbling here, as you can see, but the logo placement here, the engine detailing here, my god, that looks really beautiful. I'm really happy that I actually bought this one. So the headlights are actually acrylics, it is not painted on. I'm really happy about that. Let me just try to focus. Okay, the hood details are really nice. Let's see the tail lights. Wow, that is really nice. Okay, they actually had put some kind of acrylics for the tail lights also. So just remember this, guys, this is not the premium one, this is just the main line, and this looks really awesome. I'm really sorry for the background noise, guys, those are stray dogs. I really can't do anything. Okay, let's look at the detailing here. Okay, it has really good details, and i'm I can honestly say this particular casting does some good justification to this car. It has some good detailing to it. So only thing is, Tomicas usually don't have the rear view mirrors, at least the ones which I saw, which I have. But the detailing wise, it looks absolutely awesome. So this is the first Tomica Ferrari I actually own. Everything is really nice. Let's do a suspension test. Yes, it does have suspension. Let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it doesn't roll really well. It is like all other Tomicas as usual. But it looks really beautiful, and the detailing, especially the engine detailing here and everything, it looks so awesome. I'm really happy. Again, I'm saying this. I'm really happy I actually bought this one. So, okay, one thing I missed out to say. So, the body is made of metal, chassis is plastic, and this is a main line, and this is not premium. And yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.